bed. Okay, so before you go judging me, I just finished doing some yoga. So that's why I'm dressed really kind of boring and my hair looks, yeah, like this. So I've been trying to get into yoga and eating healthier. One thing I got in the mail today is I got this giant Naturebox. If you're unfamiliar with Naturebox, it is basically like a healthy snack service. They have tons of options, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and you can kind of filter. So if you only want to see, like, for example, vegan options, you can only see, it'll filter all the other options out and you can only see those. A lot of the snacks are under 150 calories. They're great. They recently, like, redid their service where instead of it being a month-to-month subscription, you pick the snacks. Snacks are priced individually. You pick the snacks you want, and then you put a box together. If shipping is free on orders $25 or more. And they actually have a deal going where if you're interested in trying Naturebox, you can get $20 worth of free snacks, and I'll get $20 worth of free snacks. So if you're interested in trying, please use my link. Anyone who's a Naturebox member can have this link, so it's not like any affiliate link. I paid for this box with my own money. Yeah, so we'll get started and we'll talk about some snacks. We'll try some snacks. It'll be fun. I love Naturebox. I had their subscription like a long time ago when they were still doing that, but I don't think they're doing that anymore. I think they're just doing, you know, the individually priced snacks, which I think they're actually a little bit cheaper this way. And they actually do sell Naturebox snacks at Target. Not all of them, but like certain ones. This is just, maybe that's a little better. I don't know. Whatever. We're not here to look at my hair. We're here to look at these snacks. The first ones I'm pulling out are these mini peanut butter oatmeal cookies. I've never tried these. These are, I think, a newer snack. Most of their snacks are nutritionist approved. So, yes. These are 7 cookies with 120 calories. So we'll try these. Oh, they're like hard little cookies, like that. These aren't too bad. If you want something really peanut buttery, these probably aren't for you, but they're good. They almost kind of have a coconut taste to them. But these are good. I've never tried those before. Then we have some strawberry watermelon fruit stars. These are one of my old favorites. And these are non-GMO and vegan. I don't know what's gluten-free, because I was going to look that out. I had to look up what was vegan and non-GMO, but I forgot to look up what's gluten-free, so. Oh, and if you do not like a snack, because it is online, so it's like there's always a chance you might not like something, you just contact them online and they will replace the snack in your next box with something different. These are some of my favorite. Like I said, vegan and non-GMO. They're strawberry fruit stars. These are so good. I've had them before, but I want one. They're just little stars. They're really good. They're like fruit snacks. Not even like fruit snacks. They taste like candy. They're so good. Good for you. A serving is a 4th cup, and they're 100 calories a serving. This one is sour cream and onion fruit straws. These are non-GMO. I think these are like kind of like veggie straws, but they're sour cream and onion flavored. Oh yeah, they look like veggie straws. Yeah. They're pretty good. It's just like if you've ever had veggie straws, it's like a sour cream and onion veggie straw. So a serving size is, oh my gosh, 38 of these. And they're 140 calories. Wow. That's a lot. These are another old favorite. These are the mini Belgian waffles. These are non-GMO. And these are 6 waffles. It's 140 calories. I'm not going to try these because I've had these many, many times, but they are really, really good. They just look like little tiny waffles. And we have garlic plantains. These are vegan and non-GMO. Serving size is about 25 of these and 150 calories a serving. That smells garlicky. They just look like that. They're pretty good. Definitely really garlicky. These are definitely like a good alternative to potato chips, definitely. And then we have some blueberry almond Quinoa. I don't know how to say that, but these are vegan and non-GMO also. We'll try these. I've never had this before. A serving size is 3/4 a cup and 130 calories a serving. Like I said, these are all like relatively low calorie and you can actually eat like a decent amounts. So they just look like this. These are really good. I have a really strong blueberry flavor, but if you don't like really crunchy things, I won't put these. What the heck? Never mind. That's irrelevant. These, which I've already dug into, these are another old favorite. These are the dark chocolate Nom Noms. They're just mini cocoa and oat, like, they're kind of like a no-bake cookie. They're really good. These are, it's only 2 a serving. But even though they're small, they are pretty satisfying. I had these last night. Definitely, like, this is a healthier alternative to eating a brownie. It almost reminds me of, like, a brownie. They're really good. It just smells like, brownie batter. They smell good. Then we have the whole wheat blueberry figgy bars. These are vegan. And they do have different kinds of these. I'll show you one because these are actually individually wrapped. So it's only like 1 bar. A serving, they're 130 calories. But they're just like a little bar like that. And they do have strawberry and raspberry options too. But this is the only kind that was in stock when I was ordering my box. But I have had the strawberry before and those are good too. And we have watermelon mini stars. These are just like the strawberry lemonade ones, except they're smaller and they're watermelon flavored. See, they're just like they're baby, tiny little baby stars. I gotta say, this is like better than candy, and it's better for you. Same, the It's the same as the strawberry watermelon stars. It's a fourth a cup, 100 calories. Yummy. And we have blueberry Nom Noms. These are like the dark chocolate ones, except these are blueberry. They're pretty much the same thing, but these are like little blueberry ones. I'm gonna try these. I've had these before, and I think there's like one other flavor of these. I don't remember what the flavor is though. And my last snack in my box is some Creme Brulee peanuts, a 1 ounce a serving and 160 calories. So these are like a little bit higher in calories. Not as good for you. I haven't had these, so we're gonna try them. Not my favorite snack, but not bad. So yeah, those were all my Naturebox snacks. If you are interested in getting some Naturebox snacks for a really good deal, use my link below. I mean, it is a really good deal, $20 in free snacks. I had one other snack in here that I gave to someone else. So I got 12 snacks for around $35. So $20 off is pretty good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you consider trying Naturebox because the snacks are really good and they're good for you. So I will see you in the next video. Bye!